Right, carrying out our interviews with female
Kriti.
riders. And it's great to see they're coming up big time. Let's have it. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Kriti.
Kriti.
Yeah,
Wonderful, Kriti. How long have you been riding?
it's been 5 years
5 years, awesome.
for
And what
now.
bike do you ride?
I ride a classic 350.
Classic 350.
Yes.
Riding since you started riding this?
I started riding like full on since 2020. However, I knew it how to ride. So, when I was in 6th or 7th standard, I
Oh, wow.
learned riding by my father's bike, RX 100.
Awesome. Well, there's no
So,
better bike than that, I
no, not
guess.
at all.
RX100. Yeah.
And he actually taught me how to ride a bike.
Great, great. So, what's your take on your bike, Royal Enfield
On my
Classic?
bike
Yeah,
or on the
the
riding?
classic, the bike that you have.
Um,
Any
so
feedback? Anything good, bad? What's it?
feedback. I would only suggest every rider that ride one bike and don't allow everyone to ride your bike, because if it is handled by one person, that will be maintained for long years,
Absolutely.
for a very long time. However,
Bikers are pretty possessive about their bikes any which ways.
yes, they are, but I
They
cannot.
should be, I guess.
Yeah, even I am, but
Yeah.
I cannot help people riding my bike, my brothers.
Okay. So, guys, it's a
They ride.
message.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
ask for a bike, please. She
Yes.
cannot say no, but she doesn't like it too. Right.
As of
What's the
now,
longest ride you've done?
300 kilometers or
Two?
to Pangot.
Pangot. Okay.
I went to Pantwari, Nagtibba.
Awesome.
I have been to Mandava with
Nice.
my husband. I went for a solo ride to Rishikesh for my yoga training, teachers training program.
Okay. So you're a yoga trainer as
I
well?
am a yoga instructor
Oh,
now.
great. All right. Awesome. So yoga and biking go hand in hand, is it?
Yes, definitely.
Right. So you should give two messages. First, I would say that why should people ride a bike?
Uh-huh.
I'm great. I see women biking coming up big time.
Uh-huh.
We started in 2016 where we did a workshop for women riding,
Uh-huh.
women riders. We had about 250 plus bike women coming in. You know, in
250.
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I'll show you. It was covered in Delhi Times, Gurgaon Times, and all. The news channel also covered it. That was kind of the first thing that we started with. After that, we have so many academies coming up.
Yes.
And
And
great.
I'm so happy that so many academies are motivating women to ride bikes. It's no big deal. You
But tell
don't
me
have
something.
to.
Why should anyone motivate them? Why can't they be motivated themselves? I mean, you look strong, and
Oh,
I mean, you should give a good thought about it to people, to listeners.
I'll just say one thing. So you do not have to lift the bike, and women are not so weak to lift heavy weights. They're just built in such a way that they don't look heavier. But yes, women are very strong,
True.
mentally and physically both. So you do not have to lift your bike while you're riding. You just have to balance it. So balance is all about
Mind.
your mind balance. It's not about your body balance.
So I guess that's where yoga comes in. Yeah.
So I have been practicing yoga since 20 years.
Since.
20 years now.
Wow. Awesome.
But regular practicing, have been regularly practicing it since 10 years.
Okay.
So on and off 20, but 10 years regular. So when you have peace in your mind, when you have peace in your body, you can balance anything in the world. So same as with the bike. So
Right.
peace here, balance here.
Right. So many people talk about this, car or a bike.
Uh-huh.
What's your take?
Bike anytime.
Bike any day. Any specific reason?
Yes. Very practical reason I'll tell you. If your map shows you 22 minutes to reach any place in car by car, and 17 minutes it shows to reach by bike, you'll definitely be there in 15 minutes. So it saves time, it
Okay.
saves fuel, it saves, I would say, space on
Okay.
road, and you should always think about your lungs. So not every time in the AC, you should also breathe in and breathe out fresh air.
Awesome. One inspiring message that you would like to give to the women who plan to become a biker.
Okay, don't plan, just do it.
Okay.
Because you have to be spontaneous to buy a bike and start riding. If you have thought to buy a bike, just book a bike right away. And if you have thought to ride a bike, start riding a bike, start it from tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Awesome, awesome.
So please follow me on Instagram. It starts from KKRITIIII, 5 times I. So this is my handle on Instagram. My name is Kriti Saxena Kale, and since I am a yoga instructor, my page's name is the Prana Network. So
The Prana Network.
The Prana
This is on
Network.
Instagram or YouTube?
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes.
The Prana Network. So maybe if you forgot some eyes in the Kritika, you'll find it from here. Yes?
You can always type Kriti Saxena Kale. I think I'm the only one.
We'll
on
tag her
Instagram.
on this video as well.
Yes.
So we can check for that. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you.